The ultimate combination of skills required for financial success, a practical step-by-step guide. Hello and welcome to Skills Direction. In today's episode we will explore the results of research, which shows that mastering time management, honing financial skills, and embracing purposeful habits are the key cornerstones of financial excellence. Essentially, years of study reveal a universal truth, which is that in the pursuit of financial success, a powerful synergy emerges from mastering time management, refining financial skills, and embracing purposeful habits. This synergy is the driving force for the generation of substantial wealth. Without further ado, let's dive into the steps we can take to ensure that we can benefit from this information. Step 1. Mastering time management. By breaking your ultimate goal into time-size components, you are more likely to succeed. How do you do this? Well, what you need to do is set a clear financial goal. Picture your objectives vividly, and then break them into small, actionable steps that lead to your larger ambitions. Note that the clarity of your goals sets the foundation for your journey. Next, embrace effective planning. Leverage tools like calendars and task lists to organize your financial responsibilities. Allocate dedicated slots for budgeting, investment research, and other tasks. These tools act as your compass when navigating the financial landscape. Utilize time blocking. Imagine time as a canvas. Paint it with focused blocks for each task. This technique eliminates distractions, making every minute count. Your journey becomes a deliberate, efficient progression. Reflect on progress. At the end of each day, take a moment to look back. Acknowledge your financial accomplishments, no matter how small. This practice nurtures your dedication and fuels your motivation. Step 2. Build essential financial skills. Consider precise budgeting. Imagine your budget as a roadmap. It guides your financial decisions toward your goals. Understanding your income, expenses, and savings is the compass that keeps you on track. Adopt savvy savings strategies. Think of your savings as a shield, guarding you against uncertainties. Automate regular transfers to savings accounts. These funds become the building blocks of your financial future. Engage in debt management mastery. Visualize debt as a hurdle you're determined to overcome. Prioritize paying off high-interest debts and maintaining a strong credit score. This mastery empowers you to seize opportunities. Learn about informed investing. View investments as seeds you plant for tomorrow. Nurture your understanding of investment options. Diversify wisely, and watch your financial garden flourish. Explore tax efficiency. Think of taxes as a puzzle you aim to solve strategically. Educate yourself on tax-saving investments and techniques. Maximizing tax efficiency accelerates your financial growth. Step 3. Cultivate purposeful habits and routines. First, understand the power of habits. Imagine habits as invisible threads that shape your progress. Develop positive routines, like saving consistently. These habits sustain your journey, even on days when motivation wanes. Then create a financial routine. Think of your routine as a finely tuned orchestra. Allocate specific time for financial activities, reviewing investments, tracking expenses, setting goals. Each note played is a deliberate step forward. Compound progress with small actions. Visualize your progress as a snowball rolling downhill, growing with every turn. Small, consistent actions lead to remarkable results. The journey becomes just as exhilarating as the destination. Simplify with routine. View routine as a reliable companion on your journey. It frees your mind from repetitive decisions, ensuring you focus on the decisions that truly matter. In the quest for financial success, merging effective time management, refining financial skills, and developing purposeful habits creates a symphony of unparalleled success. these principles harmonize to amplify achievements. Effective time management serves as the conductor, orchestrating productivity and propelling endeavors towards success. Refined financial skills play a vital tune, weaving financial security and wise choices into life's melody. Anchoring it all are purposeful habits, the quiet yet unwavering rhythm that infuses meaning into actions. Embracing these principles isn't just a pathway to financial success, it's a path to a resonant and fulfilling life, a masterpiece of intentional living and achievement that delivers time after time. That's all for today's episode. If the information in this guide has been useful to you, don't hesitate to share it with fellow learners. Also, for our full-length ebooks and information about our detailed training courses, please visit our website at skillsdirection.com. Stay tuned for more valuable insights and guidance on your journey towards success. Until next time, stay safe and keep learning.